Hi, my name is Padmajan Analalaki Balakrishnan and my metric number is F3002. So in this video, we're going to see how to change keypad for Agilia Injectomat syringe pump. First, we must do visual inspection to find out the problem. So once we find out the problem, we can perform corrective maintenance. Firstly, we must remove 3 back cover hexagon wrenches. After that, unplug the ribbon from power board to main board. Then remove the 2 front casing wrenches. Then unplug the LCD board ribbon from the main board. Once take out the ribbon from front casing, unplug the keypad's ribbon. And finally take off the keypad from the front casing. Before attach new keypad, clean the front casing using disinfectant wipes. As we can see, the root cause of the failure is the medication fluid entered to the casing and affect the keypad's ribbon.
My name is Fairul Izzati binti Muhammad Fuad. My matrix number is F3006. So after we clean up the front casing, attach the new keypad to the front casing. Make sure the keypad firmly attached to the front casing. And then connect the keypad ribbon to the front board. Make sure be careful when connecting the ribbon because the ribbon breaks easily. Next, connect the front board ribbon to the main board. And then put back the 2 screws inside the casing. And then connect the main board ribbon to the power supply board. Screw all 3 screws under the casing. After the corrective maintenance done, turn on to the maintenance mode to check the keypad function. Press the power button and menu button at a time. Select the maintenance option. Enter the code for the maintenance mode. And then select the test option. Pick test 10 for keypad testing. Check all the buttons if it's function or not. You can see on the LCD. After completing the check, we conclude that the corrective maintenance successfully done and the syringe pump worked accordingly to the given input. Thank you.